Morning to all of you. I want to show you to how to go to the submarine location and GTA San Andreas. And here, this is the location of the GTA submarine. Just look, look, look. North. This is the location. I will mark it in the my mic. This is the new location. You can see it in my computer. After doing that, this is you can saw the submarine. Here, I will gonna show you. This is the USS what? USS what? USS USS Paul. I don't know what's this name. This is a USS. The name this is USS Momochunus. Ganyan mo lang, steady lang. Momochunus. This is the location. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me at my facebook.com Jetro M Cruz Pogi.